To post something new, hit the plus icon. On post, you can select one or more saved photos or videos. If you selected more than one picture or video, you can edit them simultaneously or individually using Instagram's effects and photo editing tools. When you're done editing, add a caption to your post. Using hashtags can increase your social engagement and help find similar content. Tag your friends in your post. They'll be notified that they're included. You can also add a location here. If you've connected your Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr accounts, you can automatically share your post on those platforms